Yo, just give me a second on that. Um, I literally just opened Ninja Trader, so yo. Oh shit, you can hear the stream. I forgot to mute it. There we go. Give me a sec though. All right, 10:30 EST. That's 3:30 for me. We literally got like 1 minute left. But let's connect. Let's go. Right. Ooh, we ended up taking this high. Body closure too. Boom, boom. We're currently in a high time frame pullback. My long-term decision is down here. Nice, just underneath the zone. I'll take that. This high that I had here all the way back. What is it? Is my mic muted? Can you guys hear me? Did I unmute myself? We're good. Hold on. What was this green line? Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 And we got. Oh. Ooh. So the 12 minutes showing no closure above this zone here. Okay. I'm gonna remove some things like you. I'm willing to, you know, if you give me a setup right here, I'll take that. Only if, look at me jumping to conclusions, only if we break above this high. But then again, okay, that zone is useless then if we do break above, because then it would end up being this zone I'd end up choosing. So that's a bit too soon. because price as of right now is still downtrending. And yeah, I'll be wait. I'm just waiting. Yeah, the last protected high is over here, so we're deep at the top of the range. I look for lower prices. I need to update. I need to clear some things from my chart. I'm not even gonna lie. Like this zone right here is throwing me off. Gee. Yeah, I'll just do that. Look at this right here. It's basically that. Yeah, most likely you're gonna see this get taken out. I'm gonna make this gold, but noting that this is anticipation, just so I know where my higher time frame high is. And when we get that, when we get the higher time frame break. So on the 12 minute, we want to see a body closure there. Uh, yeah, for right now, the order flow in the 1 minute is that it's bullish. We could see a cheeky move at the bottom of this range here. We're currently on one, two, three swings. You can see a fourth push to take out this high and then anticipate a reversal. We're near a high time frame high too, so the probabilities of us even going up above this high, it's high. And then yeah, and look, tapping into what there's an origin that we already mitigate twice up here. But my perception on zones when it comes to cells is a bit shit. So yeah, this zone don't matter. Forget that. Well, that's a 5 second. Hold on. Yeah, I should be looking at the 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Nah. All right. Even this zone here, I can look for something. Yeah. Look for this high to get taken. Let me see what it's saying on the five. I want to see a body closure. Can't lie. Oh, man, Ninja, I don't know why you do that sometimes, but alright, cool. We've got. So you see on these inverted charts here, that's like me planning my shorts. I'm gonna literally rename it, put like 5S shorts, but really the chart's just inverted. So I know that when I have this chart open, I'm analyzing it like I'm looking for longs, but man's actually just selling. You feel me? So I'm practicing my sell positions. That's what I'm currently working on as a trader. Is that yeah, cool. Long positions, gee, I can see them easily, but you know, I've sort of stayed away from short positions because I'm just not good at it. But now that I know the foundation of the system that I trade and I've been profitable with longs, now it's time to, I'm stretching myself a little bit. You feel me? I'm stretching my ability. I ain't trying to be too comfortable. But yeah, that's what man's working on. You feel me? I've got 5S sell, all that. Okay, we got a body closure, but still, I want to see that we're in the zone. If we go onto this, we may be early still, and we are. Yeah, I did say through to. We can see a third push and then retracement, and then see that fourth push creating the fourth swing. That's where we can anticipate, you know, a reversal now from this area. That's what will make it more likely. Unless we just dump through, then cool, okay, whatever. But that's what I'm prepared for. We just got a higher time frame break. On the 1 minute too, or no? Nah, just wicks. Hmm. Is the S&D responsible here? No. Just do this real quick. I'm looking for this low to be taken out. Purple for manipulation because zones at the top of the range usually don't pan out. If we had to have a target, June, June. I think I may not even be accurate with this S&D responsible. Yeah, I wasn't right there. Hold on. Boom, boom. There we go. So yeah, I'm looking for that low to be taken. What else? We're approaching the origin of this move. Oh, that's a sell in it. Let me see what go on. Can I open up chart trading now, please? Thank you. Yeah, so for these shorts, I'm literally just going to be you know what? I've never actually done this before. It's my first time. Because if I press sell, will it know that, because the chart's inverted, like will it I don't know. Fuck it. I'm gonna just do a test try. I'm on sim, right? Okay, cool. Let me just do it.
Order filled.
It's not even showing. What kind of BS is this? See? That's why you test the shit first. Okay, cool. Yeah, I knew it was gonna be weird. But wait, unless I just can't see anything. No. That's weird. How do I make it show? Because if I can make the ATM thing show on this type of chart, oh, trust me, that would be so helpful. So helpful. I mean, I'm trying to figure out how do I get that ATM strategy? Because if I can do that, maybe there's some like, because yeah, the ATM strategy is there, it's there. But there has to be a way, because it's a weird thing. This is type is mirror bars, but why is the ATM strategy not pulling up? Why is it not pulling up? I want to figure this out. Because if I do, oh, trust me, this is going to be so good for my trading. G. Now I'll be able to practice like sell positions, like live or like properly. But if I had to do this, I know if I take a sell, boom. Okay, cool. Maybe I should just analyze on this chart. And as soon as I see what I know I want to see, I just go to the 5 second here and actually trade like this. Yeah. Okay. I'll just close that.
Order filled.
That's why you should just test your ideas on sim. I would have been pissed if I did that once. I did I did that once. Yo, I was on my live account. I was just trying to test an idea. I was like, okay, cool. I thought I was on sim, and I just just placed an order, and I was like, okay, cool. Let me just see how practical this way of trading that I'm testing is. As of just basically not even just trading the system itself, but actually you know, um, getting used to the interface, the UI of NinjaTrader, and making things more efficient for myself. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I lacked in it. I should have paid more attention, but it's cool. That's why I made sure. Let me make sure I'm on sim first before I even. But it looks like yeah, we just dropped here. Mm, What's going on? I'm tapping 50. Hmm. Yeah, forget that. So I don't know why I'm so zoomed in. Like before, like I said up here, like I was anticipating the 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, I wasn't paying too much attention, but yeah, that's the fourth swing. So we have the fourth swing. Price has just been. Let's see. So when it tapped into the origin, right, right. So when it done that, yeah. So we had a closure within the previous candle's range. So this spike down was that, but did we have a flip? Technically, that's the flip. I'm just gonna wait. So I sell that? I'm inverted, G. So if I go on the 5 second, and I literally
Order
do that,
filled.
and that must stop behind that.
Stop filled.
That's a stop field. I guess not. But yeah, this session, I'm gonna be taking a bunch of sim trades on shorts. So, but I already know where I want to be for longs. Don't get it twisted. It's just that we're at the top of the range now, so it's perfect for me to practice. But in terms of me buying, yeah, price is nowhere near my levels as of yet. For real, nowhere near. So I'm just gonna practice on my ability to take sell positions.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I was talking this whole time, explaining everything I was doing, and my mic was muted. Shit. But yeah, yeah.
Stop filled.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop entertaining shorts. I don't know how to take shorts, bro. Plus, it's not something that I should be testing in a live environment. Like I said, all my mental energy should be placed on actually trading. So, okay. So, what's a 12 minutes in? Yeah, I'm gonna be focusing on longs right now. I'm not entertaining that shit. I'm gonna focus on my long. We've got in 8 minutes. I'm sure I can find a setup in 8 minutes. Yeah, I can find a setup in 8 minutes. I can find something to put my real money on. Yeah, I know that. Okay, I'll continue to observe this. I want to see how structure develops at the top here. I'm willing to get in along here, back into the previous range. So this low is my target. Because usually when we have a body closure below a high time frame low, you know, that's what you usually see. But I do understand that we are at the top of the range. And that closure here could just potentially just dump, you feel me? Like it may not provide me with that opportunity. But regardless, I'm ready for it. All right, cool. Just finished eating. We're fully engaged. Okay, cool. What is price actually doing? Yeah, I did say, yeah, I'm going to take a trade here. Oh, wow. At the very least, this low. Yeah, never mind. No, it's not even a case of never mind, but it's just, we've been mitigating this area here multiple times. So it's like, but in these areas, you do usually see like a bounce, it does provide a bounce before it violates. So yeah, I'm still willing to put my money in here. Yeah, but I'm also cognizant about this. Uh, was that low even accurate? Okay. Mm, yeah, we have a zone here at the top of the range. Like I ain't trying to use that though. That literally provided a breakout up here. I'm gonna move you real quick. Yeah, the origin of the move remains the same. Yeah, but we're currently in a range though, a higher time frame range. This origin up here and then this origin down here are the two supply and demand areas we can tap into and just reject from. What else have we got as information to use? We also have We got a little down candle there that's unmitigated. Wow. Yeah, I'm using that because price traded out of the origin and basically mitigated that to the 70. But that down candle though, woo, I'm using that. Actually, no, that's not even it. There we go. Yeah. All right, let me see what the 1 minute saying. We had a body closure. I'm in
Order filled.
target is that high up here.
Stop filled.
All right. So I was too hasty on that decision. If I see that one there, yeah, I saw that flip here. Thought it was a good buy, but I guess not. Yeah, look how the candle closed. If we get a closure and the tap back in, I'm back in there. So I was just early down. Like, let me just get a limit order in there.
Order submitted.
Where though? Here. I got smoke there. So what did I miss? What was it that I missed? Because I saw this. I saw the flip there. And I'm getting stopped out. Unless that put in that low there. That put in. Oh, okay. All right. So I wasn't paying attention to the highs properly. That's all. Yeah, for real. Okay. Yep, that's all. I mean, shit. I did say I was expecting a buy right here, right? And look what's happening. So I was just early on that move there. First trade of the day. It's an L, but it's cool.
Order canceled.
I know I can get myself out of drawdown, so that's all good. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I'm looking for this low to be taken. I'm gonna write that down as well. I'm not making that mistake again, you know. Fuck that. What was this zone again? Oh, okay, top of the range. All right, the S&D responsible. Yeah, cool. And then this is one we've been mitigating multiple times. All right. Oh yeah, so I told myself I'm not making that mistake again, right? So what was the whole point? I the answer was in my head literally the second I lost, but I need to write it down. So basically, pay attention to highs responsible for making lows, because yes, in that exact language. So pay attention to highs responsible for putting a low. Now, you know, literally just like that, that helps me because then I was only paying attention to highs to break out. So when I lost here, go back. Look, I was only paying attention to this high here, to a high that put in a low, but I didn't really analyze this whole shit here. Cause check it. This high didn't do shit until it put in this low. So it wasn't really this high that was responsible for putting it in. Like it was this here that put in that. They had a pullback. And this high didn't do shit until we had a body closure here. So essentially, I'll be waiting for this high to get taken, that high to get taken. Essentially, the protected highs, actually. If I'm not, if let me not jump to conclusions, but we got a body closure there. We made this high. This high was responsible for putting this low in. This high putting that low in. And then we had a body closure above it. No closure. I don't know. Yeah, for that one there, poof, I'll be real. I don't know. Shit. I'm gonna go back and back test it. I'm gonna back test that. Just pay more attention to the highs and lows. I'm gonna back test that. But either way, we're close to another opportunity. So look, we just broke out a high time frame thing. First people in the market to participate after a dump, right? So this is a lower time frame kind of toilet paper people. I want to see a closure there though. Yeah, we had no. Oh, we did. Yeah, we got the closure right there. So I want to see this. I want to see a body closure down here. And if we flip, if we do end up flipping, which I can't lie, I'm still not gonna take that. Yeah, I just realized where we were. There we go. That's a nice one. Now I'm still looking for this shit. I'm still looking for these lows to be taken. I'm putting my money there. And make sure just pay attention to the highs. Uh, that actually did something. I'm gonna make sure I pay attention to that. I'm looking for this low to get taken. Yeah, this looks like our target, you know. Yeah, we're still at the top of the range in the higher time frame. On my trading time frame. Yeah, bottom of the range. Yeah. Hmm. That's my target. Oh shit, we just took that out. So this narrative here, equal lows fail to close. Below it, yeah, equal lows usually take out both highs. That's dope. But this low's no, it's not weak still. We did put in a new high. We could, well, I don't know, let's see. So harmonic pattern, break out, trade back into the range of it. That was there. Oh. Now all that's left now is the generation of trendline liquidity. There. Watch out for it. You have to understand though, we had a body closure here. So we're within this range. And we're currently in a pullback and we failed to close above. We've already made one, two swings on a pullback. So these lows here are vulnerable. Unless price does what price does and closes above that high, then we'll see in it. We'll see. I'm gonna remove this. In fact, I'm gonna make this yellow since it is a higher time frame thingy. Yeah. And then you'll see, let me just remove this. I hate having zones on my chart. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm probably gonna stop it. Like I get it, during London and Asia, I'm building narrative, but yo, when I'm actually trading, like I just like having arrows, just points things out. For real though. So we already have, on the second swing we can anticipate a reversal right on a pullback. So let's see what going on. If we get a body closure above this high, then that's a new order flow, and then the counting swings will reset. I prefer that situation, honestly, rather than just sitting at a range, you know, especially at the top. But a failure to close above here too at the origin, looking techy. You can also see that too. Pull back. Hmm. I don't know why Price is just struggling to get that body closure here. What are you doing? If that was too long, it'd be some type of shit here. Below here. So that would be, yeah, if I was to short, it'd be above that. Can't lie, you know what it's looking like right now, fam. This is what it's looking like. If it happens, I'm prepared. If it don't, then we follow price, innit? No, I can't lie. That one loss is pissing me off. That one loss is pissing me off, you know. I'll be real. Fuck that. I don't like losing, G. But I already know where I'm gonna make my where my revenge trade is. You hear me? I know where that's gonna be. I'm looking at these low prices here. But yeah, dumb mistake, fam. Minor. Keep it stepping. The next trade's gonna come in. It's gonna come soon, fam. We've got 9 minutes left. I can't lie. Maybe how many minutes left on the hourly? We've got 45 minutes. Let's see what happens in this 9 minute candle. Is that finally a body closure? Let's go. So that didn't end up panning out. Okay. Either way, I'll look for a buy in these levels here. Nice, we got body closure in 1 minute. But did it close above the high time frame one? No. Okay, let me mark that out in the event that it does. Because then if it does, I'm gonna have to ditch all of these drawings about that. All right. If you get a body closure above that high, I already know which low I'm looking to buy from. And here we go. Like copyright strike just there. Shit. Oh, we don't have a body closure yet. Then my thing stays the same. I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute candle to close, and then I'll make the decision whether to enter or not on that next candle. As long as we flip within the range here, cool, which we just did.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Target is this high.
Target filled.
I like that. That was a good trade. Yeah. We're back in profit, boys. We're back in profit, G. Yeah, that was a nice trade. I learned from my mistake. I learned from my mistake. What was my mistake before? I wasn't paying attention to the highs properly on candlestick structure. I did tell you in the beginning, I think, that, it's harder for me to read candlestick structure. You know, naturally, I can read structure like this just very easily. But, it's a much more of a challenge for me to read. So that's something that I've been working on. So we took this higher time frame low. We was at this origin of the move and we did get a flip, yes, but the reason why I didn't participate in this first flip here was because when you usually see a high time frame break with an imbalance like this, then that's usually when uh you know people chase the market. Now I don't want to be I choose not to stay involved in all of that. I choose not to. So as you can see, people that chased buys after just a dump after this breakout, they got stopped out. People that chased sells here, but yeah, let's move on. Let's move on. I'm looking for this low to get taken out. Now I just, do the same thing again. Oh, I forgot. Look at me being impatient and shit. Let me take a break. I'll wait for this 12-minute candle to close. Yeah, I'll wait for this 12-minute candle to close and then I look at the chart with some fresh eyes. Ugh. Oh wow, my phone just fell. Oh shit, I didn't even realize this. Look, yo. Yeah, we could see a little movement in here, back in there. All right, let's see. We are coming down pretty hard, so I'm not involving myself in that first flip. So more than likely, we can see ourselves take out this high time frame low. Because by the time we flip up here and then we take those people out, that momentum that we take those people out with, more time than we usually just, especially when we're near something like, these lows are close together. Yeah, it's possible, but it doesn't have to. Like this is sufficient enough. If I see that move happen in between these areas, yeah, I'm taking that. I'm putting my money on that. All right, cool. I told myself I was taking a break, right? 3 minutes left. Okay, cool. I'll just see how this 3 minute candle closes. But can't lie, the narrative on the 12 minute is looking a bit techy though. Like we've literally got equal highs. So we could potentially see a high time frame dump. That is very possible. We got equal highs, and it looks like maybe. Let me not jump to conclusions. Let me just see what I want. Let me just zoom in on candlestick here. It would have to be boom. I don't know what the fuck you is. I don't know what the fuck you is. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay. But, essentially this low. If we get a body closure below here, oof, then we could at least be taking. Okay, I won't even, exaggerate, but I do see price taking out this low. Yeah, I do see price going for that. I'm not even gonna say that price is gonna take the protected low. That's not even a protect. Oh, it's not even a protected low. Yeah, we can take this out. What? We could take this out. That's not even a stretch. But the delivery may take some time. But yeah, I do see price looking for this. And oh yeah, these are the zones that I was marking out in Asia, right? Okay. But let's just see. Oh, price is not dumping. Okay, but we didn't close below. Yeah, we didn't close above a high just yet. If I see that high get taken, I'm in. I'm in that. If I see a body closure above that, I'm in it. Where's my target? Okay, my target's up there. All right. Nah, looks like price is not trying to do that. It's okay. Let me see the 12-minute candle. We've literally got 30 seconds left to it. Let's see how this closes. Meow. If we close, this is where I'm entering. In fact, this is the whole down candle. Yeah,
Order filled.
I'm in. My target is, put that there. If I see five, I'm taking it. Yeah. Oh shit, we didn't close. Never mind. Ooh, woo. I needed to see a closure first. Wait. Close, 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 close. I need to see that close. Yes, sir. We still didn't close? Oh my days. Oh, no, we did. But nah, hell no. Yeah, price is stalling. Yeah, I just don't want to manage too early though. It's easy to mismanage when you're so ready to put your position at break even. Very easy to mismanage and get stopped out early. I just want to see it body closure somewhere. Nice.
Order filled.
Nice. Order filled. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go. All right. Yeah, that was a nice play. That was a nice play. Bow, bow. You see what I mean about managing too early? I used to have that problem a lot of the times. Usually, I don't even put my stuff to break even until we get a pullback. Until we pull back and I'm in drawdown because I can't lie, it does happen at times, but I don't mind it. Like I'm used to it. I can stick it out. It's when it comes back down to retest the level, like you see your body closure like below. It was really this low here I was looking at. I wait for at least like a retest and then a push up. That's the best time to put your position at break even now. Like you saw me put my stop here and we didn't have a body closure just yet and it just went phew. Like I could have easily got stopped out, but yeah, when it comes to yeah, it's very easy to get stopped out if you mismanage your entry. But yeah, 5 points and we cut there. Started the day with a loss, bounced back with two wins. I'm telling you, every day is a profitable day, though. Every day is a profitable day, though. What? Every day is a profitable day. Now I'm looking for this low to get taken. Yeah, this is my next objective. And who knows? We could probably see a cheeky move inside here within this. unmitigated area just in between here, or we could end up taking out this low too. Depends on the volatility. But yeah, as of right now, yeah, I'm I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Guys, this is you got to realize, yo. You see how man is trick. Like, do you guys see the difference between my Asia live streams, my London live streams, and my New York live streams? When I'm actually trading, bro, all those zones that you see, all this shit that you see me doing, marking out all these different zones here, there, doing all of this, bro, like I'm not doing that while I'm trading. What? I hate that. I hate that. But during all this shit marking out zones, bro, I don't do that, yo. But when it comes to these arrows, yes, I still place them on my chart because these are just literally my own indicators. Like, okay, cool, yeah. Purple is manipulation, red is my target, gold is a higher time frame area, you know? Um, and that's all I need. Because I know that I'm not placing these arrows here for nothing. You feel me? Everything has a specific use to it. But when it comes to zones, it's like, yo, I don't need to know what's happening at the top of the range. Frankly, I don't give a fuck. But yes, during Asia and London, I still analyze them to get a better understanding of what price is doing. And not only that, you're learning how price moves. Like that is so critical in just in you learning DTFX. You need to learn that is essentially what that free masterclass teaches you, how price moves. Forget trading it. Put more time into learning how price moves than you do actually trade. Because trust me, that is what will actually improve your trading. Real fucking talk. Should I end my? I'm probably gonna end my day here. Like this is my third trade. Yeah, I'm cool with that. I'll be real. My third trade. Eh, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow, New York. That's a lie. I'll see you guys. Yeah, tomorrow, Asia. Yeah, at midnight GMT. I'll be back for Asia, and then I'll just start building narrative again. But I took one loss in the beginning, two losses there. I don't. I really don't. I'm not even trying to. For me, three trades in a day. That's good enough for me. I can't lie. Like deeper every single day, I backtest three consecutive wins. Three consecutive wins. At most, I probably take five trades in one session. Obviously, I backtest New York session, three consecutive wins, but at most it's five because I could lose two trades in a row. If I lose three, I'm doing something wrong. Like I'm doing something wrong. But two trades in a row, okay, cool. All right, cool. And then I win the next three. Or it could just be, I lose two trades in a row. I lose one trade, probably lose another. I lose one trade, lose another, probably win another. Like, but you see, two is probably the maximum I can accept for myself. If I get three trades, I lose in a row in a single trading day, yo, I am off. I get off the charts and just start, yo, I take a break and just analyze my losses real quick. And then I go into back testing and I make sure I understand the lesson. Understand it. I understand the lesson. I make sure I get that shit right. I backtest specifically that. So that when I come back on the charts, even during Asia and London, I'll be looking for those things. I'll be paying attention to those things of what made me lose, and seeing it happen over and over again to reinforce that rule into my memory. If you want to learn DTFX, I've got a link in the description of the free masterclass. Yeah, man, do your thing, man. I'm telling you, this is life changing right here. Requires work though. I don't care where your work. I don't care what you think about, what your work ethic is. Whether you think it's shit, whether you think, yeah, I know my work ethic is like. No matter what you think, you're gonna have to level it up when it comes to this. That's what I'm saying. No matter what level you think you're at, best believe you're gonna have to break yourself and actually level up. That's what I did. Broke myself. I broke myself, put myself back together. Oh, what? You thought that was it? Oh no, I broke myself again and then put myself multiple times, bro. Yes, there'll be many times where I just got it. Like there's times where you think that, yeah, you got it. You got it. But now don't worry, you have something else to learn. But that's good. That's part of the process. You see, during them times where you think that, yo, I've got it, you're on a roll, bro. My understanding of price is just on point. That's how you know you've mastered something. And you see them times where all of a sudden you have a string of losses, you don't know what's going on in price. That's the point where you go back to the playlist, you go back to that free masterclass, and you say to yourself, bro, what am I missing? What am I missing? Why? Because now your brain has much more room to actually master something else. That's why, see the string of losses that you were doing, best believe it was an unconscious analysis that, like, unconsciously you was analyzing something and you was impulsively making decisions on the wrong shit. But it's just that you didn't remember. So when you go back onto the playlist, you remember, oh yeah, he did talk about that. No wonder I lost there. No wonder I lost there. But you mastered that principle, yes. But now in, there's other things to take into factor now with what you just mastered. So what you just mastered, whatever concept that is, which the first thing you should master is structure, by the way. But as you keep building on what you master, that's how you really level up your understanding of this shit. For me, I never used. You see, whenever I used to watch DTFX, he would always be talking about narrative. Now, look, I would say like before February, I had no idea what he was talking about. But when it came to structure, when it came to zones, when it came to candlestick structure, that shit was unconscious already. But I just couldn't understand why am I still why am I still at 60%? I get 70% here and there. But why am I still at 60%? And then that's when I noticed that whenever I'd rewatch his videos, whenever he'd mention narrative, there'd always be a thought in my mind that, what the fuck is this nigga talking about? Narrative. No. Like he keeps saying that shit, like narrative. And then, of course, I noticed that that was a recurring thought. But now, I think it was during ooh, nah, that's a dump. Yeah, fuck that. I'm not getting involved in that. Yeah, like I said, I'm done for the day anyway. But um, I was talking about recurring thought about, yeah, narrative. So that's when I noticed, just I think around February times now. I'm like, yo, wait. I'm just now aware that I don't know what the fuck narrative is, but Dave keeps talking about it, but I never went into it. So boom, that's when I was watching the playlist again, that's where my focus was at. It wasn't in structure, it wasn't in candlesticks, it wasn't in zones, it was in narrative. So I wasn't really paying attention to the rules now. it was more about paying attention into why you're making a certain decision because of certain patterns in the market, you know? So I'm saying that to say this, you're gonna have to master one thing at a time, trust me. But yo, G, I'm gone. Uh, I'm gone. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. You feel me? Hope it's very informative. I know I wasn't really talking like that. I wasn't really explaining my decisions like that, but you gotta be like at the same time, G, I'm trading. You feel me? Like the boys trading. If you really want me an in-depth analysis of, yeah, really and truly, if you want to see how I analyze the charts like in depth, then that's London and Asia. You feel me? But as you can see, I don't be even using, I just be using these lines. I already know where my zones are. I already know where they are. Just for me right now, it's literally okay, line, okay, trade below that. Okay, I know it's something to the left. Let's trade back up. I know it's something to the left. Okay, let's trade back up. I know something like I don't need to. I know they're there. It's unconscious to me now, and I believe you should get on that stage too. That will definitely help you. In fact, that's my goal when it comes to narrative. You see, with narrative, since it's just something I've learned recently, it requires more conscious thought. It requires more focus for me to actually get it right, you know. But I want to make that the same way I look at structure. That's the level of um, skill I want to get to when it comes to my trading to get narrative down just unconsciously. I don't even need to think about it no more. The same way I don't need to think about structure. I don't need to think about zones. I don't need to think about candlestick structure. I'll say in terms of difficulty, narrative is the hardest for me, and then comes candlestick structure. Zones and structure, that's just easy. Master that. Master that. But yeah, man, I'm off. I'll catch you guys in Asia. Or maybe New York close. Who knows? Maybe I'll catch a little 2-2 trades probably in the final like hour or so. Who knows? Maybe. Who knows? Alright, cool though. I'm gone. Safe, safe, safe. I'm dipping.